Hello viewers, it's my Min IAS Academy and today we are going to see UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 questions from Economy. From Economy there are around 18 questions which are asked in UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020, which means that number of questions which are asked from Economy is constantly increasing. Earlier we have seen that the questions which are asked from Economy is low compared to that of History, Geography, Environment. Generally from Economy they ask around 10 questions, but now the trend is changing. They are asking around 15 questions from Economy. In the last year they have asked around 18 questions, which means that in the upcoming year in 2021 we can expect around 15 questions. Around 15 to 20 questions we can expect from Economy, which means that around 20% of the questions can be from Economy. So we should give more focus on Economy and we can see the places from which questions are asked in UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020. We are not going to solve the questions, but we are going to analyze how questions are asked from Economy. First, the question number 1 is relating to rice price. They have asked which of the following things will contribute to the increase or which will contribute to the rice price, and they have given options like government subsidies, government stockpiling, government trading. They have given such options. So question number 1 is from agriculture. Simply you can easily remember that question number 1 is from agriculture, and relating UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 the more number of questions from chapter is agriculture. From agriculture chapter they have asked around 5 to 6 questions from economy related agriculture, and apart from that generally in UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 question paper you can see around 15 to 20 questions from agriculture itself. They have asked questions from economy related agriculture, environment related agriculture and also geography related agriculture. So this trend may continue in UPSC Civil Service Exam 2021 also, which means that we should give more focus on agriculture for the upcoming exams. So first question is from agriculture. They have asked about rice price, and they can also ask questions like which of the following things are produced in more quantity relating to tons. They can ask rice is the one which is produced more compared to that of wheat. Rice is the one which we produce more. And relating export and import, we don't export our rice more. Why? Because we can't meet the international standard quality of rice. So we don't export the rice more, but we will consume more rice. So we are producing more rice, and the thing which is produced more in India is rice. And next only we have wheat and other substances, cereals, pulses. So relating rice they can ask question. So see about rice and also see the price. The things which contribute to the increase in price and the decrease in price. Second, interest coverage ratio. They have asked from banking. Relating banking, there will be certain things which will be in news. There are certain new titles, new names which will be in news, like we can see about open market operation, marginal standing facility, and relating banking they will focus questions like they will give 4 or 5 banks and they will say you to arrange in a chronological order based on its establishment. And they can give RBI's monetization and SBI formation, ICICI, and they can give banks like this, and they will say you to arrange it in a chronological order, and they can say you to match it up. The committees which recommended. Relating committees also, from banking you can expect more question from committees. Narasimhan committee is always important. So see the committees, Usha Thorat committee, Nachikut More committee. See the committees which are in news, and also see the banks and the established year is also important, and see terms like this, interest coverage ratio and certain other things which are in news. Third, public investment in agriculture. Which of the following are considered as public investment in agriculture? This is asked. So there are other things like there are other funds, angel funds, debentures, bonds. These things are in news actually. So see the different types of investments, the different types of funds which are in news. See those steps which can be asked. Relating agriculture, give more focus. And there are 3 farming laws which are recently established. See about those 3, and see about the procurements. MSP, minimum support price, is always in news. See the procurement price. Relating sugarcane we have FRP, fair remunerative price. See about all those stuffs. Fourth one is Kisan credit scheme. It is also relating to agriculture. Relating agriculture, we have many schemes. If you are going to see schemes, government schemes, there will be around at least 20 to 30 questions from schemes itself. You can see there will be around 20 to 30 schemes from agriculture itself. See the schemes which are relating to agriculture, which is very important. So see the schemes which is relating to agriculture. And then we have trade. Fifth question is relating to trade. The trade that the trade that India is having between Sri Lanka, Nepal and Bangladesh is given in this question. Statement 1 is relating to trade between India and Sri Lanka. Statement 2 is relating to trade between India and Bangladesh, and statement 3 is relating to trade between India and Nepal. And they have given in the third statement, they have given a thing like Nepal is the largest trading partner with India in South Asia. Actually, that statement is wrong. Bangladesh is the largest trading partner in South Asia. So see things like who is the largest trading partner, and to which country we export more and to which country we import more, and the things which we import more and the things which we export more. See those stuffs which can be asked. And sixth one is G20. G20 is asked in UPSC 2020. Apart from G20, you can also see other things like Asian +3, BRICS, and BIMSTEC, SAARC. You can see those stuff. Those things can also be asked. See the countries which are part of that particular organization or committee. And the seventh one is CPI WPI. It is from inflation. Inflation, these are the measures these are the things which is used to calculate inflation. Consumer price index and WPI, wholesale price index. See what it is. This is often asked question. From inflation, CPI and WPI is often asked. So give focus to these stuffs. And the eighth question is also relating to agriculture only. They have asked relating to minimum support price procurement, relating to cereals and pulses and oil seeds. So see the minimum support price, the crops for which minimum support price is given. And within this we have sugarcane also. For sugarcane there is another one stuff called as fair remunerative price. Give focus on those stuffs. And the ninth statement, ninth question is relating to terms. They have given 4 terms and they have defined the terms. They given the commercial paper refers to something something. Statement 1. Statement 2, call money. Statement 3, they have given something. Statement 4, they have given something. So if you see something which is new to you, which you don't know, see what it is, what it means. That is enough. You don't need to know more about it. See what it is, because often UPSC will ask questions like this. They will give what they will say a word and they will ask what it refers to, and they will give options. So see those stuffs. And in 10th they have asked about foreign direct investment. It is a repeated question. Foreign direct investment is very, very important. It is a repeated question. Foreign direct investments means the company, a foreign company coming and investing in an Indian company. Example, we have Hero, Honda, Maruti, Suzuki. Indian company and foreign company merge and they form. That is foreign direct investment. Foreign company coming and investing in an Indian company. We have foreign institutional investment also, and they generally ask questions from foreign direct investment as well as foreign institutional investment. See what it is and what are the characteristics of foreign direct investment and foreign institutional investment, and see the differences between those two. And 11th one is relating to international trade. They asked relating to exports. India export merchandise more or whether they import merchandise more. India import steel, chemicals, fertilizers more or less, whether it is decreased or increased. And they asked about import, whether India is importing services more or whether it is exporting services more. Actually, India is exporting the services more compared to that of imports. So, relating to service, India is surplus. But generally, overall, India is current account deficit. So, fourth statement, they have given India is current account deficit. Actually, it is right. India is current account deficit, but relating to services, we are surplus. So, see those stuffs relating to exports and imports. It is from external sector, foreign trade. And 12 is West Texas Intermediate. They have given what West Texas Intermediate refers to. Dash. They have what it is. And they have given options like crude oil, and rare earth elements, bullion, and they have given options like this, and the correct option is crude oil. Actually, it is a crude oil. It is a grade of crude oil. So you can remember those stuffs. And 13th one is non-financial debt. Which of the following is considered as non-financial debt? And they have given options like housing loans owned by households, amount outstanding on credit bills, and treasury bills. All these three are non-financial debts. So you can see what are the things which come under non-financial debts, what are the things which come under financial debts, what are the types of debts. We have many types of bonds, debenture amounts, and there are many types of investments and treasury bills, GSEC, government securities. See those steps, what it means and what are the basic characteristics. 14th one is TRIMS. TRIMS is from international relation or international organization. So the agreements which we have internationally, we have white box, amber box, green box, blue box, agreement on agriculture, GATT agreement. We have many agreements relating to economy. See about World Trade Organization, World Bank, and IMF. So 15th question is relating to monetary policy. Monetary policy is things which government do to control inflation. We have monetary policy, we have bank rate, repo rate, then marginal standing facility, and cash reserve ratio, statutory liquid ratio. See, things which increase the liquidity in the market, things which decrease the liquidity in market. So see those steps which will be important for our exams. See the things which will increase the cash flow into the market. These things are often asked in UPSC. And 16th one is relating to LPG, 1991 economic policy. We have liberalization, privatization, and globalization, right? From this relating to liberalization, question is asked in this UPSC 2020 question paper. So you can give focus to this also. And in 17th question, they have asked about credit to agriculture, things which give more credit to agriculture. The banks which give more credit to agriculture is, they asked, actually it is scheduled commercial banks. Scheduled commercial banks give around 70 to 80% credit to agriculture, and the second position is only cooperative societies which give around 15%, and the third one is regional rural bank. Regional rural bank gives around 5% for the credit to agriculture. See the things which give more credit. So it is scheduled commercial banks. See those steps. And 18th one is IMF, International Monetary Fund. They have asked about golden trench or reverse trench refers to dash. This is the question. Actually, it is so simple. See, what is golden trench, reverse trench? Both are same. See, what is this? SDR, special drawing right. See, what are the things which come under forex reserve. See, what are the things which can be kept as a for statutory liquid ratio. They approve cash and they approve certain government securities. They approve gold. So see what are the things which can be kept under statutory liquid ratio, and also see what are the things which contribute to inflation, what are the things which control inflation, what are the steps which government take to control inflation, and certain other terms which are in use. Gini coefficient, Laffer curve, and we have ICOR, incremental capital output ratio. We have many committees relating to poverty. See those committees, Lakdawala committee, Rangarajan committee, the committee which we use now to estimate the poverty. See those stuffs. And relating unemployment, the factors which lead to unemployment, and the factors which will be affected due to unemployment, whether inflation will increase the unemployment or not. By inflation, certain people will get affected and certain people will get benefited. So see the persons who get benefited due to inflation, and also see the persons who get affected due to inflation. All these things we will be discussing in our upcoming videos. So subscribe to Min IAS Academy. That is all for today's video. Subscribe. Thank you.